Christian, gird thine armor on, weary though thou be, whilst the hosts of evil gather against thee. Christ thy Lord has triumphed, and in him thou stands. He can never fail thee. Trust his mighty hands. Onward, faithful remnant, Jesus shall come soon with the shout of victory, and shall take thee home, and shall take thee home. Though the night of darkness seems to linger on, brothers, it shall end soon. Dawn is on its way. Jesus is thy captain. Faithful he will stay. Run the hosts of darkness, bringing endless day. Onward, faithful remnant, Jesus shall come soon with a shout of victory, and shall take thee home, and shall take thee home. Waiting for the rapture, let us busy be. Souls out there need saving.